Hello, my name is Yannick Görgen, and today I will introduce you to a novel alternative to conventional rotary actuators. The proportional actuation is based on shaped memory alloys made of nickel titanium, which contract like metallic muscles when activated electrically. This material has the highest energy density of any known actuator. Forces of up to 100 newtons can be generated from a wire with a diameter of only 500 micrometers, enabling the design of compact and lightweight actuator systems. This means they can not only replace conventional actuators, but also open up completely new application fields. Using the resistance of the nickel titanium wires, it is possible to precisely determine the position of the actuator in up to 1000 steps. This sensing effect happens simultaneously with the actuation. Based on this data, a continuous position control as well as a preliminary maintenance without additional components can be integrated. Does this example inspire you? If you're interested in bringing your own product idea with smart materials to the market, we look forward to hearing from you.